Hey, what's up guys? I have a new way for you to make money. It's called Swagbucks. All you do is sign up below and start doing surveys here and you get Swagbucks. So basically you can link your credit card there so you get money back to your credit card and you can earn different Swagbucks. This is Trustpilot verified, so all the reviews are here. So they're pretty good. They pay. So as long as you sign up and do some surveys, you will make Swagbucks, and you convert Swagbucks into like gift cards. And gift cards are like ways you can like purchase things. You can earn 1% cashback on eBay, hotels, Best Buy, Kohl's, Expedia, Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's. So that's really cool. So you can link your credit card to that and then spend on these sites and you get cash back. So thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. I mean, sign up.